In this video, I'm going to show you how to reset your HP DeskJet 2900 printer to the factory defaults. First step is to switch on the printer. Now go to your smartphone. Make sure your printer is connected with the smartphone, MacBook or laptop and open the HP app. So we can do the factory reset easily using the app section. Scroll down and look for the printer settings. That is here. Click on it. Select advanced settings. On this page you will see your printer name HP DeskJet 2900 series printer. Look for the setting options, select it and then go for the restore defaults. Here you will see the option restore factory defaults. Click on it and here we have to enter the pin of the printer. Pin is always at the back side or at the front in this section. So here we can see the pin. So enter that pin number. So it will be different for each printer. Once you enter the pin number, click on the submit button and then wait for the final confirmation. Restore factory defaults and confirm it. So this will take few minutes and it will reset the printer to the factory defaults and the wireless light will start to flash. That means printer is reset and it's ready for the setup again. So that's the way we can reset the printer securely to the factory default setting. Thanks for watching.